Dozens of pro-Palestinian protesters arrested at Yale, New York universities. Columbia University canceled in-person classes. Police arrested dozens of protesters at Yale and New York universities, and pro-Palestinian demonstrators set up encampments at other colleges Monday as tension flared again on campuses across the country over the Israel-Gaza war. Students at many schools are escalating protests over the war, living in tent on campus, disrupting university events, and risking and provoking arrests, leading to a growing sense of chaos and crackdown at colleges in the waning days of the academic year. College leaders are facing intense scrutiny over whether they are doing enough to protect students, faculty, and staff against alleged anti-Semitism and other bias since the October 7 Hamas attack and resulting war, even as they confront scathing criticism from those who say they're denying students' right to speak out and censoring political protests. The latest protests, stretching across an array of private and public colleges and universities, come days after more than 100 demonstrators were arrested at Columbia, sparking acts of solidarity at other institutions, including Boston University and the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. Encampments and other protests also sprang up at campuses such as the Massachusetts Institute of Technology and the University of California at Berkeley. At New York University late Monday, officers from the NYPD made arrests at Gold Plaza after school administrators requested their assistance, according to police spokesperson Shaima Al-Kafaji, who said she didn't know how many people had been arrested. Videos on social media showed dozens of officers in tense confrontations with protesters. Some officers tossed tents and others grappled with demonstrators. Videos also showed police loading people whose hands were zip-tied behind their backs onto correctional buses. Officers said over a megaphone that protesters were arrested for disorderly conduct, according to the Washington Square News, NYU's independent student newspaper. Earlier in the day, Yale said 47 students were arrested at Bannock Plaza and will be reversed for disciplinary action, potentially including suspension. The school said it made repeated efforts over the weekend to talk to the protesters over the meetings with trustees and warned of arrests before the Monday morning action. Police released the detained protesters.